welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna make my old slime slimy again. All we need are liquid soap and old slime. First, we're gonna scoop some of my slime. Look at my slime. It looks like glue. But when we add the liquid soap, it will be so sticky. If it's too sticky, add a little bit more of liquid soap. Now that it is really slimy, I can mix it with my hands and make some funny sounds. Wow! Look! It's not red anymore because the liquid soap is a blue and the slime is red, and the blue, mix it with red, it becomes purple. Look how slimy it is, and it's very stretchy. Now we're gonna make slime with different color. I want to use pink since I already have a purple slime. So squishy. So sticky! you see the red gone? Yeah. This will turn purple again. It looks like bubble gum. Stretch. Wow! Did you hear that? Squish. You can see all the sparkles. If you're doing this at home, wash your hands properly after, because if you still didn't eat your food, the food will get dirty. So make sure to make your hands nice and clean. Sound like a fart. Well, that's the end of my video. If you want to see more videos from me, just click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.